Hey, thanks for joining us today. Okay, I've got a very nice air purifier from LEVOIT, and I'm going to do a quick unboxing and then set it up with you guys. I've already got one of these upstairs. I've been using it for probably 2 months now, and I got one for the downstairs now. Now, these ones I bought my own money, but even if they were sent to me, I'd still give you guys honest reviews. So let's just jump right in and get this thing started. Right. This is going to be a very simple unboxing here. Let's get it open. It does have like a little quick panel here. Kind of gives you what the control panel of the actual device does, which is nice. I kind of like that when they use the box. Here we go. We're gonna AC adapter. We're gonna have some instructions here. Okay. The air purifier itself actually has naturally built-in handles right here. So you just grab in, lift it up, and scoot that to the side. Okay. Okay, from here, let's just, the bag's kind of all tied up down here. So let's get that off. Okay, and then we've got this big warning tag you see here. It's warning you because the filter is wrapped up. So we're going to take the faceplate off. So you're just going to grab your hands behind here and just give it a little pop, okay? As you see here, they just slip right in real nice with these clips, and then the bottom one just lifts out, okay? So we're gonna have a pre-screen right here, catches like dog hair and dust bunnies and stuff like that. So we're gonna pull that out. There's these little tabs right here and here. I squeeze them in. Now pay attention to the way that came out because we have to put it back the same way. So these tabs are facing outward. That's washable right there, right? Now, our big filter unit here. By the way, we'll have Amazon links for all this stuff in the description down below, so you can get one of your own. All right, so let's open this up. I'm opening too many boxes with it. I got all the tape glue on my knife. Okay, here we go. Now so you guys can see how cool this is. So you got the paper pleats right here, and they're pretty deep. This is a pretty deep filter. Okay, you got a foam seal around to keep it all airtight, and then your activated like charcoal, carbon stuff here on the back side. Okay, it catches odors and stuff. Okay, got a nice little pull tab right here. We're just going to simply put the filter back in place like that. Now that the bag's off of it, my dogs are all hyper now that I'm talking. Okay, our pre-screen here. We're going to slip it in, click, click, and that clicks in really easy. Okay. Now the faceplate, again, the bottom is just going to drop in these two slots down there. Really easy, just sets in. And then these are just going to, real easy click. Now there is this little thing on the side. You're like, what is that? Like weird like outlet plug thing? Not quite. There's a little tag right here that tells you that this is a dust sensor. So it can help tell you the quality of your air by the color that this right here changes on the display panel, plus on the app will tell you. And you're supposed to take some Q-tips and just wipe off the sensors in there ever so often. Now, we'll say how often, well, it depends on how dusty is your house, right? And then you just kind of click that back in place. But that's something that should be cleaned probably on if you're using this a lot, probably on a monthly basis. Okay, now we've got the little box for the AC adapter, okay? So an actual AC adapter, not a USB charger. I think some of us have forgotten what these things look like, to tell you the truth. Okay, and there's a decent length of cord here. I think it's like 6 foot or something. And there's just a little port right there. You're just gonna stick it in, and now we can plug it in and turn her on. So let's go do that. Now, before we plug it in, you can just scan the QR code right here and go download the VSync app. I did actually forget a little plastic here, right, Ellie? Did I forget that completely? There we go. Let's take that off. Woo! Okay, yeah, that's better now. Okay, so now we're plugged in, and we're going to set this up, okay? So you can just obviously use this by just turning her on. There we go, so you can feel the air. This adjusts your fan speed. It's an automatic setting there. I'm going to go back to manual by just controlling the fan there. There's your timer, 2 hour, 4 hour, 8 hour. You can also set the timer through the phone and the app there, okay? And the little phone will light up. You know, you can turn off the lights, turn them back on. You can hold this and lock the settings so the kids don't come and change it, right? Now for the app. Got the app downloaded, VSync. We're gonna start it up. Okay, so you see I got my device up there, the upstairs one. Now we're gonna go to the top right here, top right with the plus, and we're gonna add a device. And it's automatically searching for devices. Okay, well, let's just go straight in, and we're gonna add manually an air purifier. All right, the Vital 200S is what I'm using here. And preparing to connect, so yeah, I plugged it in. All right, but now, here we go. This is the part that I was forgetting here. So we're gonna hold this for 5 seconds until the Wi-Fi starts blinking. There it goes. And it's found the device. See, when you remember to push the right button, it works better, doesn't it, Ellie? Device is connected, router is connected. All right, because I've already got the app connected to my Wi-Fi here, so now we're all connected here. We're gonna finish. Okay. Welcome to Vital. Yes, we've already done that. I don't need to hook it to Alexa or Google Assistant, but you can. You can see it says that the air quality is good. You see that the color on the phone matches the color right here. Okay, so from here, all right, let's go here. And speed controls right here. And you can probably hear that, maybe you can hear the difference between 1 and then 4. And it's kind of cool. It doesn't just instantly hit it real hard. It kind of does like a build up and a drop down when it switches speeds. Let's go to 3. 3's not so loud. And then we can set, it has all the stuff here like filter management, different data from using the sensor and stuff like that. The timer, let's set the timer right here. Okay, we're going to stop that timer and we're going to put our own timer in. So 4 hours, and I don't know, 25 minutes, why not? Okay. All right, now if you notice on the unit itself, the cell phone is lit up here on the timer because it's being controlled by the app for the time, 4 hours and 24 minutes, 50 seconds, right? And we're just going to back out there, back out there. Okay. Now here I need to, oh, I got a firmware update available. Yep, let's update the firmware. I did that on the first one, now I remember. And we're going to manage devices. And we're going to rename this one here to downstairs. Purifier. Okay, downstairs. Let's turn it on. And it's set on 3. We're going to set the timer again because we just had the firmware update. And okay. So I hope that gives you a little more information on the large room air purifier. This is something that's, you use for more like a living room versus a bedroom. I mean, you can stick it in a bedroom, right? But it can handle like your large living rooms and stuff. And I've really been enjoying it. It's very easy to use. The app's super user friendly. It gives you lots of information. Lots of filter choices you can get for it. Not just the name brand ones, but a lot of third-party air filters as well. Again, thanks so much for watching. Please share this video. Please subscribe. Thanks again.